Uh, Hello student, today is our lecture of subject refrigeration and air conditioning. It's a chapter fundamental of refrigeration. Then we will explain every chapter topic wise according to your syllabus. Now I am talking about evaporating refrigeration. Whenever every liquid evaporate absorption of heat takes place from surrounding which is equivalent to its latent heat of evaporation. In this way, the temperature of the surroundings is decreased. Example, during the summer night, an earthen an, pitcher or jar filled with water and placed in open air cools the water due to evaporation. A small amount of water comes out through the pores and evaporates due to the dry conditions of air around the pitcher. This small amount of water takes heat from the remaining water to evaporate, and thus water in the pitcher or jar gets cooled. This method was adopted by ancient Egyptians to cool the water. Similarly, many other examples of evaporation cooling can be quoted. The cooling effect of fanning on a hot day is due to the evaporation of perspiration. In the summer, after taking a bath, we feel cold due to the evaporation of water drops on our body. When a drop of petrol or spirit is put on the palm, it evaporates and absorbs heat from the skin, and we feel cold. Uh, and cooling of a floor is in summer by sprinkling water is due to the evaporation of water laying on the floor of room. In a mechanical refrigeration system, cooling is produced in evaporation by evaporating the liquid refrigerant in it. The method of evaporation is employed in the desert cooler and evaporative type of condenser for refrigeration plants. And next, vapor compression refrigeration. It is the most common method of refrigeration and employed from the small household refrigerator to the largest air conditioning plant. And this is the most commonly method of refrigeration. Refrigeration, the most usable method and employed from small household ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ small house refrigeration to the largest air conditioning plant. ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ air conditioning plant ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ. It works under the principle that liquid when evaporate absorbs heat. ਇਹ working ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ under the principle ਚ that liquid when evaporate absorb heat, ਜਦੋਂ absorb ਕਰਦਾ heat. In this system, the common refrigerants are ammonia, carbon dioxide, and freon. Once the refrigerants are changed in the system, the same refrigerant is used again and again in a cycle, changing from liquid to vapor state. When the absorbing heat and from the vapor of liquid to liquid state when giving out heat. The main components involved in this system are compressor, condenser, and control devices and evaporate as shown in diagram. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the space to be filled, cooled, and rejects it at the condenser. Example, from a lower temperature to high temperature. This is also named as the mechanical refrigeration, and it is the best system for producing refrigeration. This is the diagram of figure 1.6. This is a condenser, expansion valve, evaporate suction line, compressor. This is the working of vapor compression refrigeration. Vapor absorption system. In the early stage, the absorption system was very popular. This is the earlier stage. This is a very familiar, very popular means भी बहुत चल रहा है but later on when vapor compressor system came into existence ਇਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ vapor compressor ਆ ਗਿਆ the use of absorption system become limited to organization like oil refinery ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਘੱਟ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ like oil refinery where fuel is an economically source of energy ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ economically source of energy ਸੀ fuel basically an absorption system uses heat energy instead of mechanical ਤੇ basically an absorption system uses heat energy instead mechanical energy ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ heat energy use ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗੀ absorption system is still popular absorption system ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ popular ਸੀ ਤੇ especially in the area where the electric power is not yet available ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ electric power not available ਸੀ in the absorption system ammonia is used as a refrigerant and water as absorbent because water has a great affinity for ammonia. The components involved are as shown in figure 1.7. Aqua ammonia is heated in the generator by some external sources of heat. Then ammonia and water go to the separator in vapor state. In the separator, ammonia and water are separated. Ammonia vapor move towards the condenser and get condensed. Whereas this is the diagram: absorber, evaporator, separator, condenser, and generator. Water vapor after condensing come to absorber condensed ammonia enters the evaporator and absorbs the latent heat from the surroundings and change into vapor from in the presence of hydrogen. When it comes back to generator through the absorber, the flow of ammonia, water and hydro cycle continues and thus cooling effect is obtained. It is to be noted that all the components are interconnected with the steel pipes. Therefore, next topic is steam jet refrigerators. We know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius under standard atmosphere pressure. Boil ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੇ under 100 degrees Celsius ਦੇ under standard atmosphere pressure. When the atmosphere pressure is decreased, the boil temperature of water also decreases. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ atmosphere pressure ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਘਟਾਉਣੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਬੋਇਲ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਵੀ ਘਟ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ if that pressure is reduced to 6.5 cm of water the water boil temperature is 10 degrees Celsius ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਘਟ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ if it is further reduced to 5 centimeter of water the water may even boil at 6 degrees Celsius therefore the above principle of boiling water at low temperature by decreasing the pressure is employed in steam jet refrigeration system shown in figure. The container called flash chamber is infinitely filled with water. The top of the container and piping are interlinked to the ejector where steam nozzle is placed and connected to the condenser. When steam is passed through the nozzle and ejector, it acquires the high velocity causes the vapor and gases present above water surface in the flash chamber to be carried along to the condenser. Thus low pressure above the water surface in flash chamber causes water to evaporate and cool the water. This cool or chilled water is pumped to the refrigerator space. This chilled water absorb heat become warm and return to flash chamber. The loss of water is compressed and compensated from the condenser. This is the diagram of steam jet refrigerant. Then steam nozzle, ejector, steam sprayer, condenser, make up water, refrigerator space or evaporator pump, chilled water. Next topic is gas throttling refrigeration. When a gas or a vapor is expanded through an aperture of minute dimension, like a valve very slightly opened, the process is known as the throttling process. ਜਦੋਂ a gas or vapor is expanded through an aperture of minute dimension, ਜਦੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਐਂਡ ਵੈਪਰ is expanded मैंने भी फैलता है through an aperture of a minute dimension like a valve very slightly open जो अलग-अलग एकदम ओपन हो जाता है. The process is known as throttling process. During this process there is no change in enthalpy but for a real gas the temperature decreases after throttling and the gas gets cooled. This cooled gas is then passed through the refrigerator space. The amount of refrigeration drop depends upon pressure drop and the original state of the gas. This is the diagram of gas throttle refrigeration. Refrigerator space, then the porous plug, high pressure gas inserted a valve. Next topic is liquid gas refrigeration. The gas like a carbon dioxide or nitrogen is available in the liquid form filled in the well insulated cylinder. एक गैस लाइक ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और नाइट्रोजन इज अवेलेबल इन लिक्विड फॉर्म ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੋਕ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਆ ਗਈ ਇਨ ਫਿਲਡ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਵੈਲ ਇਨਸੂਲੇਟਡ ਸਿਲੰਡਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਵੈਨ ਦਿਸ ਗੈਸ ਇਜ਼ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ਡ, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਟ evaporates and lowers the temperature of surroundings in the enclosed space by taking the heat of evaporation. ਜਦੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਇਟ evaporates and lower the temperature of surroundings, ਉਹ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਘਟਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਸਰਾਊਂਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ in the enclosed space by taking the heat of evaporation where the perishable articles are stored to protect against spoilage, especially during short transportation. This method of refrigeration is also useful for the vehicle carrying perishable food stuffs during the mobile sale. Sprayer valve of liquid nitrogen cylinder. And next topic is your thermoelectric refrigeration. Thermoelectric refrigeration works upon the principle that if current passes through the junction of two dissimilar materials, an absorption or rejection of thermal energy occurs at the junction. Thermoelectric refrigeration works upon the principle that if current passes through, ਜਦੋਂ ਕਰੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ through means ਉਸ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਤਾਂ junction of two dissimilar ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ similar ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜੋ materials and absorption or rejection of thermal energy occurs at the junction and it is proportional to the junction current. As the system shown in is not having moving parts, it the noiseless and requires little attention. Thermoelectric refrigeration diagram. Insulated body, refrigerator space, cold junction. This is a cold junction, hot junction, battery. Okay, this is P and N are two different semiconductor materials having different energy level. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, P and N are two different semiconductor ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ material having different in energy level. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ material ਦਾ different energy level ਆ ਗਿਆ. When a direct current is passed, direct current DC current is is passed, the junction inside the insulated body becomes cold. ਜਿਹੜੀ junction inside body ਹੈ insulator body is become ਵੀ ਉਹ cold ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ and example T2 and the outside junction becomes hot, then the outside junction ਚ become hot, ਜਿਹੜਾ outside ਆ ਉਹ hot ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ inside cold ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. If the current direction is reversed, the hot and cold junction interchange. If the ਜੇਕਰ current direction is reversed ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, the hot and cold junction interchanged and the effect will be reversed. If the current direction is reversed, ਜੇ reverse ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦਾ current ਤਾਂ cold junction interchange ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ. Thus the same refrigerant can be used both heating and cooling purpose. This used ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ this refrigerant can be used both heating and cooling purpose. Next topic is natural system and artificial system. The difference हो सकता. Natural system of refrigeration. In the olden days, older means ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ refrigeration was achieved by natural means such as the use of ice or evaporative cooling. The ice used was made available by transporting from colder regions and stored in ice houses for summer use or made during night by cooling of water by radiation to stratosphere. In earlier times, material like sawdust or wood shavings were used as insulating materials to build ice houses. But later on, cork was used as insulating material. Thus, for natural system of refrigeration, ice was taken from ice house or made by nocturnal cooling. Nocturnal cooling. In the art of making ice by nocturnal cooling, the ice was made by keeping a thin layer of water in a shallow earthen tray and exposing the tray to night sky. Compact hair of about 0.3 m thickness was used as insulation to lose water heat by radiation to the stratosphere, which is at around about -55 Celsius, and by earlier morning hours the water is in the trays freeze to ice. This method of ice production become very popular. Evaporative cooling. It is the process reducing the temperature of a system by evaporating of water. Human beings perspire and dissipate their metabolic heat by evaporative cooling. If the ambient temperature is more than skin temperature, evaporative cooling has been used for centuries to obtain cold water in summer by storing water in earthen pots. The water permeates through the pores of the earthen pot to its outer surface, where it evaporates to the surroundings, absorbs its latent heat in part from the vessel, which cools the water. Evaporative cooling by placing wet straw mats on the windows is also very common. Nowadays, the jet coolers with straw mats made from husk are being used in hot and dry areas to provide cooling in summer. Artificial system of refrigeration system. Refrigeration system, as it is known these days, is producing by artificial means. Based on the working principle, refrigeration system can be classified as a vapor compressor system, and gas cycle system. This is artificial refrigeration system and vapor compressor refrigeration system. The basis of modern refrigeration is the ability of liquor to absorb heat as they boil and evaporate. The basic of modern refrigeration ਹੁਣ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੋਡੀ basis of the modern refrigeration ਉਹਦੇ ਆਧਾਰ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਐਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਐਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਲਿਕੁਇਡਸ ਟੂ absorb heat absorb ਕਰਦਾ as they boil and evaporate. When some water is placed in the thermal contact with either under a receiver of a vacuum pump and the evaporation rate of water is decreased due to the vacuum pump, the water gets frozen. This process involves two thermodynamic concepts, the vapor pressure and the latent heat. In the first concept, is a liquid is in equilibrium with its own vapor at a pressure called the saturation pressure, which depends on the temperature alone. For example, when the pressure is increased in a pressure cooker, the water boils at a high temperature. Yes. In the second concept, the evaporation of a liquor requires latent heat. During the evaporation, if latent heat is extracted from liquid, the liquid gets cooled. The component of the modern day refrigeration system where cooling is produced is called evaporation. To make the cooling process continuous, the vapor are recycled by condensation to the liquid state. The condensation process requires heat rejection to surroundings, which can be condensation at atmospheric temperature by increasing that pressure. Hence, a compressor is required to maintain a high pressure so that the evaporating vapors can condense at a temperature greater than of the surroundings. A closed refrigeration cycle working on a vapor compressor system to produce ice by using volatile fluids shown figure in a closed refrigeration cycle working on a vapor compressor system produce ice by using volatile fluid ਦਾ यूज करके ਉਹਦਾ vapor compressor system produce ਕਰਦਾ ice and the refrigerants other volatile fluids boils in evaporation be taking heat from the surroundings water in container A. The pump C draw vapor away, compress it to high pressure at which it can condense to liquid in tube D. A closed vapor compressor refrigeration cycle volatile water container B, vapor C, pump D, tube E, water vessel condensed by weight loaded volume. Okay, this is diagram of which it can be condensed and giving out heat water in a vessel E. Condensed liquid flows through the water loaded valve H, which maintains the difference of pressure between the condensed and evaporation. The small pump above it is used to charging the apparatus with refrigeration. Domestic refrigeration system. The domestic refrigeration using natural ice was invented and used for a very longer period without much alternation. Domestic refrigeration reactor using natural gas, natural ice was invented, ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, was invented and used for a very longer period ਲਈ use ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ without any alternative. The domestic ice box used in made of wood with suitable insulation. The ice used is kept at the top of the box and the lower temperatures are produced in the box due to heat transfer from ice by natural convection. A dip pan is used to collect the water formed due to melting of ice. The box is replenished with the fresh ice once all the ice melts. Through concept is very simple, yet domestic ice box had several disadvantages. The user has replenishes the ice as soon as it is consumed, and the lowest temperature that could be produced inside the compartment are limited. Moreover, the shortage of natural ice appears due to warm winters. Hence, the efforts started to develop domestic refrigerators using a mechanical system. The initial domestic mechanical refrigerators were costly, not completely automatic, and not very reliable. However, the development of mechanical household refrigerators on a large scale was made possible by the development of small compressor automatic refrigerator control, better soft sealed developments in electric power system and induction motors. Thus, the manufacturing of domestic refrigerators used to maintain mainly sulfur dioxide as a refrigerant. Some reactors used methyl chloride and methyl chloride, methylene chloride. Later on, these refrigerants were replaced by Freon 12. Beginning, these refrigerators were equipped with open type compressor driven by belt drive. Soon, the open type compressors were completely replaced by the hermetic compressors. First, the refrigerator used water cooled condensers, which were soon replaced by air cooled condensers. The domestic refrigerator based on absorption principle was made and named the Electrolux refrigerator, but the use of mechanical domestic refrigerators grew rapidly. Today, the domestic refrigerator has become the essential kitchen appliances. This is the types of refrigeration are used in ancient time and replaced by and okay. Okay, students, today's your lecture is over, so we will start next topic tomorrow. Nice, good day.